Now in this video, students, we'll see one more example from practice set 3.3. Example is like this. In an AP, 19th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Then find the sum of first 56 terms. Okay. So we start solution like this. 19th term is given. 19th term is 52. 19th term is 52 means T19 is equal to 52. This is given. And T38, 38th term is given. That is 128. And we have to find S56. S56 we have to find. Now T19 is given. So we have formula for Tn. Tn is equal to, it is A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore T19 is equal to A plus, value for n is 19 minus 1 into D. Now T19 is 52 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1, that is 18D, and therefore A plus 18D is equal to 52. This is equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, now next 38th term is given. Similarly, T38 is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. Now T38 is 128 is equal to A plus 37D. Okay, and therefore A plus 37D is equal to 128. This is equation number 2. So here we got simultaneous equations. Okay, in A and D. Equation 1 and equation 2 are simultaneous equation in A and D, and we know how to solve these two equations. Okay, so क्या करेंगे आप लोग, ये दोनों equations को simultaneously solve करेंगे, है ना, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं करना ये एग्जाम्पल में. ओके, क्या करना है आपको यहाँ पे, adding equation 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, equation 1 और 2 को add करेंगे. So you will get A plus 18D is equal to 52, and second equation is A plus 37D is equal to 128. Just add them. ये turning point है example का, remember this. Okay, so A plus A, that is 2A plus, now addition of those two numbers, 7 plus 8, 15, 5, 1 carry, 3, 4, 5, 55D is equal to 8 plus 2, 10, 0 carry 1, 7, 8, 180. Say this is equation number 3. Okay, now we have to find the sum of 56 terms. So we have formula for Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So S56 is equal to, just put n is equal to 56. So you will get 56 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus, value for n is 56 minus 1 into d. Just simplify here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 8s are 16. How much? It is 28 into bracket 2a plus 56 minus 1, that is 55d, and that we can write as 28 into 2a plus 55d. From equation 3 we have value for 2a plus 55d, that is equal to 180. Okay, so here we write reason from 3, and that is equal to, this multiplication will get as 5040, and therefore the sum of first 56 terms of given AP is 5040. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this example. Okay, now come to next one. This is the next example. Find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. Okay, the same type का example हमने previous exercise 3.2 में solve किए थे. Find the 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. बराबर है. तो वैसे यहाँ पर है 1 to 140, इसके बीच में जितने नंबर्स रहेंगे जो 4 से डिविजिबल रहेंगे उनकी सम फाइंड करने बोला अपने को. उसकी क्या फाइंड करना है, सम फाइंड करने बोला. तो यहाँ पे अपने को सबसे पहले क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा कि 1 to 140 है ना, 1 to 140, इसमें ऐसे कितने नंबर्स है विच आर डिविजिबल बाय 4 बाय द सेम मेथड, बाय द प्रीवियस मेथड इन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज और प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.2, जैसे उसके अंदर हमने सॉल्व किए थे, n की वैल्यू फाइंड किए थे, सेम वही मेथड से यहाँ पे n फाइंड करना है अपने को, ठीक है। सो वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन लाइक दिस, द नेचुरल नंबर्स, the natural numbers, the natural numbers which are divisible by 4, which are divisible by 4 from 1 to 140 are, which are those numbers? So 1 is not divisible by 4, 2 not, 3 no, 4, first 4 number, okay, then 8, then 12, है ना, because we have to find numbers which are divisible by 4. अगर 4 से डिविजिबल अपने को करने फाइंड करने के रहेंगे तो क्या करना है, फर्स्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है और उसके अंदर 4 को ऐड करते जाना है तुमको, ठीक है। तो 4, 8, 12, 16 एंड सो ऑन। अब लास्ट नंबर देखेंगे हम लोग, कितना रहा लास्ट नंबर, 140 है। सो इज इट दिस 140 इज डिविजिबल बाय 4? 140 जो है ये 4 से डिविजिबल है क्या, 4 से डिविजिबल है क्या, उसको चेक करना है अपने को। 4 3 जा 12, 4 3 जा कितना आएगा ये, 4 3 जा 12, 13 14, 4 5 जा 20, right? So here we have to consider that number should be 136 from 1 to 140. From 1 to 140 का means we have to consider here, we have to consider numbers between 1 to 140. समझ में आ रहा है, 1 to 140 लेंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है। So last number is 136 we have to consider, which is an AP, which is an AP with A is equal to 4, D is equal to 8 minus 4, that is 4, and Tn is equal to 136. Therefore Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now Tn is given 136, so we put 136 is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into D, that is again 4. So you will get 136, okay, 136, and this plus 4 becomes minus 4 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. So 136 it will be 132 upon 4 is equal to n minus 1. This 4 get divided here. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 1 left, 4 3s are 12, and therefore 33 plus 1 is equal to n, and therefore n is equal to how much? It is 34. So there are how many numbers? 34 numbers. How many numbers? There are 34 numbers which are divisible by 4. Now we have to find their addition. We have to find their addition now. Find the sum of all natural numbers. Okay, from this, okay, now Sn is equal to, we have formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2, or directly we can take, because first number we know, last number we know, है ना, so directly we can use that formula, is equal to T1 plus Tn. So n S34 is equal to 34 upon 2 into bracket, first number is 4 plus last number is 136. So 2 1s are 1 left, 2 7s are 14 is equal to 7 into bracket 140 is equal to 17 into 140, it is 2380, and therefore S34 is equal to this 2380. That is the answer. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Okay. One example. Sum of 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Find its 28th term. Okay, and this one is the star example in your textbook. So sum of 55 term is given, S55 is given, that is equal to 3300, and we have to find T28, that is 28th term we have to find. Okay, now S55 is given. S55 is equal to 3000. Okay, we have formula for Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S55 is equal to 55 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus it is 55 minus 1 into d, that is equal to S55 is given 3300. So this 3300, this 55 upon 2 into bracket, it will be 2a plus 55 minus 1, that is 54 into d. Okay, after that this 3300, okay, this 55 is in multiplication on left hand side, it comes in the denominator is equal to 1 upon 2, and from these two terms we can take 2 common, because this 54 is nothing but 27 2s are 54, so we can take 2 common from both the terms. So you can take 2 common into 2 bracket a plus 27d. Okay, so this 2 get cancelled. Now here we have to simplify. 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33, 0s are 0, 0s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 0s are 0, and therefore 60 is equal to a plus 27d, and therefore a plus 27d is equal to 60. This is equation number 1. Okay, now we have to find 28th term. 28th term we have to find. So we have formula for Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore T28 is equal to a plus 27 minus 1 into d, that is equal to a plus 27 minus 1, sorry, 28 minus 1, it is 27d, that is equal to, and a plus 27d is nothing but 60. This is from equation number 1. So this is the value for T28. T28 is equal to 60. So in this way we have to solve this example. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Okay, thank you.